Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We go to the story now of a St. Elizabeth man some would deem physically challenged who's making strides in areas some able-bodied persons are not. Krista Campbell explains.
39-year-old Jeffery Hutchinson is widely respected in Black River, St. Elizabeth, where residents say he'll do just about any work he's given. But what he's most celebrated for is his work around the boatyard, despite what others may see as a disability.
Them man they forget them props. Them man they look for people. Them man they work them own money. Dive in. And boy, I can't swim like him. Everybody rate him. From the little one to the big one, have to rate him. But them man they don't beg. Them man they will buy a drink.
Being born without certain limbs that affect his walking has not stopped Jeffery from doing any job, even mixing cement from the comfort of his wheelchair.
You see the tax office out there, and top of it, me see him on a leather. There's plenty people in a town stand up and I look at him and I say, how him get up there without foot, and he's only 2.5.
Every boat tall as a mast them be. You want to climb on it, you paint it. You go on it, the boat bottom and dive. You're not afraid of nothing.
When I clean up boat, what I'm going to swim past me going up the river. So why not side?
That confidence around crocodiles comes from years of working with the Black River Safari, where he helped to tag and keep track of the reptiles, especially those raised in the crocodile sanctuary. A resident recalls his first encounter with Jeffery.
I'm seeing jump off right at the corner I walk. I run go call all soldiers. I see every soldier over there dead with laugh. Shortly after I look at one big puppy and I see man come up with telephone. So I hold the rope.
So you call the soldier them and tell them to?
Say a cripple man can kill himself. Try me thinking under stress or something like that, isn't it?
And he does it because...
No, I don't want to chat up, man. I prefer work for it. Work for the honest bread.
But Jeffery does need financial help. The place he calls home is telling.
Boards are dry rotten and it really needs to lift up because it's a waterland, so you know the house needs to raise up like at least 2 or 3 block heights off the ground, because it's a waterland. So whenever rain falls, the water come inside or inside of the house. The floor is covered with water. So whatever furniture you have in there, eventually they rotten out.
Some persons have tried to help, but they say they need more materials like board, nails, and a door. The boatyard, a refuge for Jeffery whenever it rains, and also a training ground for a dream of his.
I would like to enter the wheelchair race.
He told me that he was in some form of training back then, but the trainer died, so apparently that dream just vanished.
And while he hopes to replace his worn wheelchair, Jeffery prefers a manual rather than a powered wheelchair to maintain his upper body strength and keep his Paralympics dream alive.
I must build up, what exercise. But one moment you get lazy, you know.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.